Hello everybody, and in today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to do the magic knot. Now this is perfect for joining new yarn or if you are changing colour throughout your project. So if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. So for this project you're going to need your 2 pieces of yarn and just some little embroidery scissors. I'm choosing 2 different colours because they show up really well on camera. So once you've got what you need together, we can start making. I do want to apologise in advance for the state of my table because I used stick and spray on it and didn't cover it. So that is what the dirty marks are. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get 1 piece of yarn and we're just going to lay it out like this, and then I don't need these at the moment. We are going to get our 2nd piece of yarn. Now what we're going to do is we are going to tie the green to the yellow and then tie the yellow to the green. So I'm going to start off by tying the green, so it is just a normal everyday knot. So like this, and just make sure you pull it really tight, and then we're going to tie the yellow to the green. So just a normal knot. It's always the second one that I find a bit more fiddly to tie. So just a normal knot, and just pull that one really tight. So as you can see, the green's tied to the yellow and the yellow is tied to the green. Now what you want to do is just pull your 2 strands of yarn and just give them a good tighten. And then we're going to snip our ends. Just try and go as close to that knot as possible. So that's 1. And that's 2. And that is not going to go anywhere. So that is a magic knot. So I'm going to snip this out and I'm going to show you again, just in case you didn't get it first time. So if you lie your 2 strands like so, then we're going to tie the yellow to the green and the green to the yellow. So number 1, let's give that a good pull. And then number 2 to there. Then just give them a good pull and tighten everything up. Give them a snip off. I think I need to sharpen my scissors. And there we have the magic knot. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also find Crochet Beginners Group on Facebook, where we have over 97,000 crazy crocheters from all over the world. You can find us on Snapchat, on Twitter, on Instagram, and there's free patterns on my blog. I will leave all the links down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like it. Leave a comment in the comment box below. I love reading your comments, and I try and get back to every single one of you that leaves a comment because I really appreciate it. So there you go, happy crocheting, and I shall see you next time.